TGITF. Thank God it's Tyco Friday. Yes. Corvette. I think it's, I don't know what year it is. I have no clue. We'll look her up in a book. And yeah, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell. Get notified. Give me a thumbs up on the video. And leave me a message, a long one, 7 words or more. Not good morning, Rich. Don't say good morning. I'm not live. This is not live. This is all recorded. Why are you saying good morning? Yeah. So, yeah. Good afternoon, good evening. Yeah. Alright, I'll bring you guys around here and we'll check the bad boy out. It's on a 440 narrow pan chassis. Put a little oil on it. What is going on with you? Okay, just need to get that out of the system. Alright. Let's clean these pickup shoes up. Alright, let's see that here. Page 22. Here she is right there. If you notice, she does not have the black side mirrors. They're white and they're molded into the body. Number 3 Vette is white with red. Number 12. And number 12. 83. 440 times 2. Availability is a Ford, number 12. White, red, number 3 was bet. 6213. And 17 is the one that's got the same body number, same part number. Calm down, will you? Same part number, yeah. Number 4, number 17. Yeah, it's not the same part number. It's a yellow number 2. They came in a set together, I guess. I'm not 100% sure. But there it is. Number 4. Its availability is a 4. I'm going to have to take this bad boy over to the track, and we'll take her for a ride. She runs real nice on this clickety-clackety track. Yeah, I'm going to go over there and I'm going to fix that. And one more spot too. Jesus Christ, these rails aren't even the same. AFX should be ashamed of themselves, but they're not. They don't care. Damn. Yeah, I'd have to say AFX pretty much sucks. This track ain't even 5 years old and it's just like garbage already. There you have it, folks. 83 Corvette. 440 times 2. Yeah, that track sucks. What are you gonna do? This thing has super tires on it. Hardin Creek super tires. I can tell because it's rounded on the outside edge of them. Yeah. Pretty cool car. Sticker in the windshield's coming off. They all are. Every single one has these stickers in the windshield. It's all coming off. I appreciate you guys coming in. Like I said at the beginning, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Yeah. Seriously. Subscribe. Leave me a comment. 7 words or more. Don't just say hello, good morning, good afternoon. We're not live. This is recording. It is Memorex, yes. And hit the bell, get notified, and give me a thumbs up. Appreciate it. And you guys have a great day. I will see you tonight. I'm going live tonight. I'm building a pit kit. I'm not sure which one I'm going to build. I only got 4 left. 1, 2, 3, 4. And, yeah. I'll be building a pit kit. Having some cold snacks. And, telling some jokes. Yeah. That's what we usually do in here on Friday night. Tell dirty, nasty jokes, drink beer, cuss and swear, and have a good time. And if you don't like that, don't come in. It's not for kids. Kids ain't even allowed to watch my regular videos. If you're a kid, you shouldn't even be watching this video. No. Appreciate you guys coming in, and I will catch you guys tonight. Later.